The Fallen has revealed himself. He makes his stand beside the machine that would harvest the sun. We will destroy both, or be destroyed ourselves.
Challenge the Fallen!
That's it, see it? On the pyramid, that's the hard shit. Now you gotta shut that down. Which will be hard, I know, because there's a Decepticon there, there are little school buses, but if you can paint him out of the picture... You just better deal with the Fallen first, huh? Oh! Look at that! He can teleport. Like this isn't hard enough already. This is fantastic. Woo-hoo-hoo! You see that? Oh, you nailed it! You nailed it! Do it again. Get him! Get him!
For too long I have searched for this harvester. Now, I claim your son! Your star's energy feeds me! Never again will Decepticons lack energy. We shall roam the universe, feeding from its stars.
Alright, good news, you scared him off. Bad news is, he's got friends, so look out, alright?
Engaging auto.
Get him! Hurt him! Hurt him! No, wait, move! There you go! There you go! Let's do that. Look out! Move! Move!
Cease this pointless attack!
remember, no sacrifice, no victory. You gotta watch that, man. You're taking some serious damage.
Where are you? You must help me!
Get out of the way. Move! Look out! Move! Move!
Weaken! This cannot be! I have come too far. This shall not be my end! My own brothers could not stop me. I shall not with you.
That's gotta hurt. Even for an Autobot. See your damage levels, right? They're rising. You can do this. Get him. Finish him.
The ancients are avenged. The brother who betrayed them is no more.
And yet, Megatron remains.
Not on Earth, at least. My telemetry indicates our nemesis is now aboard a Decepticon transport in a distant galaxy.
This group sure can shoot. Hope our allies appreciate how little collateral damage we've caused.
I'm sure they do.
Get out there and make me proud.